But, yeah. Anyways, I went outside today. It had, it had been a while. Just because it's cold, you know, but also, I don't know, life is hard these days. It's harder than I thought it would be when I wished I could be here. I think that's why Christmas is so nice, though. I don't know, it's just like it's always been. It's a break from the hard part. Well, I mean, it's supposed to be. Anyway, I don't know. I feel like sometimes Christmas can just make me feel like everything's closing in on me. I don't get it. Everyone seems so happy. Maybe they're all faking it like I am. Sorry, call me back when you can. Alright, thanks.
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel.
You're the only person I know who can take a wonderful season like Christmas and turn it into a problem.